Okay, today we're going to open the MOHS hardness test set from Mineral Lab and see what's in the contents. Hope you enjoy it. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it. It's, got this at Quest Building Materials over in Anaheim for 85 bucks. In there is a hardness table. Different values for different types of material. Diamond being the biggest, with talc being the softest. Nice table point. It's a nice bag. I don't know what this does. This thing opens the case, locks it as well. So you will see four probes that will test each material. What you do is you scratch the surface of the material to test if it shows or not, and I'll be demonstrating that. So the MOHS hardness test set comes with 4 metal alloys hardness scratchers from 2 through 9, and 2 being tin, and 9 being corundum or tungsten carbide here. The hardness is diamond, but that's not included. Say for example you have these come with the glass plates and a brass plate here. If you cannot scratch the surface of a material, you can always scratch it on these plates here. And it's important to note that you must scratch on a smooth surface, otherwise the test will not be valid. And yeah, so let's try one right now. Let's try a known figure. We're gonna try to test a tile here from Balthasar. This is known to be a value of 4, which according to the scale is in fluorite. It's fluorite there. Fluorite. Or you can say it's hard as an iron nail. So we'll try that. To start the test, what we do is we would select the lowest one first, which is 2. It's a plastic tip, and we would use it as if a pen. We're holding a pen and just using medium force, glide it across the surface. And if you see a scratch, then the surface is less hard than this material here, which I do not see. We'll switch it over to number 3. Alright, use medium surface again. Hardness. No scratch there. Now, this is the first time I'm doing this, so let's see if it's going to work. We're going to put it on the 4 setting here. I do feel some resistance, but I don't see any scratches yet. It's kind of hard to tell with the white tile here. Okay, so I'm starting to feel some kind of resistance, some friction when I drag it, but still no scratch. So we're gonna flip it over to 5. See? Maybe if I you hear that? It's kind of hard to hear. Still no scratch. Interesting. Must be some kind of other test. Let's try 6 just for fun. I don't see any surface scratch. We'll try 7 now. I don't know. I don't know if it validates it, but I guess with tile you gotta do some kind of other test. So I was trying the test and I was having a hard time seeing a scratch using the 4-pick. So what I did was to call the manufacturer of the test and we worked together. And first we used the number 9, which is very hard. That was easy to scratch. I can't show you the scratch because it's kind of hard to see on the video and with the white tile. Anyways, 9, 8, 7, 6 was beginning to get harder to scratch, but I realized that you really have to use constant pressure, and once you do make a surface scratch, you can go over it parallel to feel the line or the groove that you made. That will confirm the scratch. And sometimes when you use the tip, it will get dull, so you will have to sharpen it with this tool here. And I was kind of hoping that this tile would be greater than 4 on the MOHS scale because it's more durable tile, but indeed it's around a 4 or 5 because it's real hard to scratch it with this one, but you can do it. So I guess it does work with tile. What's cool about this kit is the cover of the kit also acts as a display stand by screwing in the top cover into the bottom base. Now you have a stable kit that won't drop. Cool.